If you want to make more money and improve your ratings on Shipt, then you're in the right place. I've done over 1,000 deliveries and I learned a lot during that time. Here's my current stats. Let's go. What's up, YouTube fam? Mr. Hustle here. Welcome back to the channel. We're just gonna get right into it. So while working for Shipt, I've had issues with customers rating me poorly because of things out of my control. For example, things being out of stock or their order being pushed back. I've also delivered huge orders over $100 worth of items where I received very little or no tip at all. These are probably the two most frustrating things when dealing with customers on Shipt. So how could we avoid these situations? Well, I've been able to avoid these situations by keeping track of my customers' ratings and tips. I've done this by creating a tip map. I'm here to teach you how to create a tip map of your own so you could avoid those frustrating orders. So, a tip map is basically just labels in your GPS app on your phone that will give you important information about your customers before you accept their orders. Once you get an order, you'll want to keep track of the date, the delivery time, the order number, and the address. You can keep track of this by putting a note in the Shipt app for that customer with a date and the order number, or by screenshotting that information at drop-off, or even by manually writing it down on a piece of paper. Do it old school. You keep track of this information so once tips and ratings come in, you can match them to your customers and addresses so you could update your tip map and have that important information for the next time they order. So once an order comes in and you accept it, I would recommend you immediately add a note with the date and order number to that customer's note section in the Shipt app. I would also recommend taking a screenshot of your phone at drop-off with drop-off time, order number, and address. The screenshot will be dated, so that'll keep track of the date for you also. Once tips come in, they'll be shown with the order number, so you'll be able to match the tip and order number with the matching address. Customers rate at the same time they tip, so if you notice a new bad rating when you receive a tip, you could add a label to their address regarding that also. Over the years, I've been able to create a tip map with over 100 labels for 100 different customers and addresses. I also have over 50 preferred members, which make it much easier for me to avoid bad tippers and raters and know exactly when a good tipper places an order. If you use this method, I guarantee you'll have a better experience on the Shipt platform. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know down below. Please like this video if you found it helpful and consider subscribing if you haven't yet to support the channel. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. That rainbow is so lit right now.